In today's episode of
Wow! How'd you code that?
we're solving the repeated strings HackerRank challenge. The problem statement for this challenge describes a string that should be repeated until it contains n number of characters. For example, if the string is ABCAC and n equals 10, by appending the string to itself exactly one time, we have a 10-character string. We then need to determine how many A's exist within the 10-character string. In the given example, there are a total of 4 A's found in the string.
In some cases, the given string, and the required number of characters, may result in truncation during the append process. For example, if our string is ABA and n equals 10, we can only append the string to itself 2 times, which results in a 9-character string. We then need to append only the first character of the string to result in a 10-character string.
By using some simple math, we can develop an algorithm to solve this problem rather easily. First, let's count the number of A's in the initial string. In the example where the string is ABA, there are 2 A's. The total number of A's is equal to the product of the initial count of A's and the length of the string, divided by n, plus the count of A's in the first, r, characters of the string, where r equals the remainder of the length of the string, divided by n, if applicable.
The programmatic solution to the problem consists of 2 methods. The first method, repeated string, takes a string and a long, n, representing the number of characters a string needs to be extended to. First, an evaluation is made to determine if the incoming string is the letter A. If it is, the value of n is returned to the caller. Otherwise, a primitive long, named count, is initialized to the result of the call to the countit method, passing it the string and the length of the string. Inside the countit method, a primitive long, named count, is initialized to 0. Next, a loop is initialized to execute the number of times represented by the incoming variable, times. Next, if the character of the position of the iteration variable, I, is equal to A, the count variable is incremented by 1, otherwise, the loop continues evaluating each character in the string. Upon completion of the loop, the value of count is returned to the calling method. Back inside the calling method, a primitive long, named div, is initialized with the value of the length of the incoming string, divided by n. Next, the result from the product of div and count, plus the result of the call to the countit method, passing it the incoming string and the remainder from the value of the length of the incoming string, divided by n, is returned to the caller.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. Be sure to click the notification bell to be notified each time we upload new content.
Thank you for watching.
And we look forward to seeing you in the next episode of
Wow! How'd you code that?